Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the obvious hardware factors. Power cycle the phone and remove any case or screen protector that can press edges. Boot into safe mode to test if an app is causing phantom taps. Safe mode isolates third-party apps. Then clean the display with 70% isopropyl and a microfiber cloth to remove conductive grime. This reduces capacitive errors. Once done, make sure the display still misbehaves before proceeding to deeper fixes. Now focus on software causes and calibration. Check for and install Android system and manufacturer firmware updates because touchscreen drivers often improve through patches. Use any built-in touchscreen test or a diagnostic app to map unresponsive or phantom zones. Recalibrate if available. If the issue began recently, uninstall suspect apps one at a time and test. This isolates software conflicts. If a factory reset is required, back up first. Resets finally move to hardware. If software steps fail, inspect the device for drops, moisture, or bulging battery signs. Power off and, if you know how, open the device to reseat the digitizer cable. Loose or corroded connectors often cause phantom input. If damage is visible or ghosting persists, replace the digitizer or full display assembly. If you lack tools or warranty concerns exist, take it to a certified repair shop. One key troubleshooting tip: document symptoms and tests before handing it over.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.